Yo, what's up, y'all? Kind of a lazy Sunday. I got the will to keep working on this mug, but I'm kind of tired. But I will try to have one thing done, cause we got these clips in the mail this week. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and make sure we got all our rocker panels. Make sure everything starts going back together on this car. Really, that's my new goal with it. I would love to sit here and polish everything on before I put it back. Maybe try to knock up a few of these dents. They're pretty in decent shape, but for the time being, I'm gonna just mock it all up like this. I don't even like the red either, but we'll take that off later. I'm gonna be just, like I said, my new thing with this car is let's just get it all put back together, make sure I have everything, and then I'll go back through and detail everything out. But anyways, it's kind of sitting a little low. I haven't finished the hydraulics. I do want to finish those as well. Just maybe not today. We're just gonna do a little quick rocker panel action for today. So let me get this jack up here and jack it up so I won't be bending over. Uh-oh, three-wheeler. Got this car taken apart, and most of the clips, unfortunately, they do be breaking. I ended up ordering 10 brand new ones. I wish I would have ordered a little bit more. I thought I had some more original ones that were good. I do have some. I'm gonna end up probably not having all the clips on there, but hey, it is what it is. Worst case, I know where to get them from. They're not that bad, but still, a lot of this stuff is adding up on me, man. Stuff that you don't calculate for, and this stuff adds up quick. All these trim clips. I actually haven't put some on in a while, so me and y'all both gonna be seeing how we do this. Okay, as y'all can see, it got a little L deal, so I think that's how they go. I don't know if I'm just missing a rivet there or something crazy about that one. Not too sure. But you slide them in like this here, go down. Uh-oh, we missed it. Go down, then to the right. There we go. As a matter of fact, let's put one of the old ones. These also have screws at the end, so that helps for the door ones, these long door ones. Let's throw the old one over here. Before I pop it on, I want to make sure it lines up a little. You know what I'm saying? So you see kind of how it grabs, and you got to kind of like pop it over. I had forgot. All right. That one was a good pop. It sounded that one, but not these yet. Oh yeah. There we go. And then it takes two bolts, two nuts on the inside of the door, and that's how they go on. I kind of have forgot, but hey, I'll hit y'all back when I got this side on, and I'll show y'all the next side.
Yeah.
This back piece is a little different. It ain't got them plastic clips. It got the little washer looking deal. And also on the bottom, it's got screws. Oh shit, I'm over here scratching up the paint. Like I said, it would have been ideal to polish these out before putting them on, but I'd rather make sure I got everything before I do all that. Test drive it and all that, and then I'll go back and detail it for sure. But let me get these on, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do in the front rocker. It's gonna be a little different than what it has. Got the other side popped on. They went in all right. I scratched a little bit of the paint. Anyways, I got this side going. I do got all my pieces, but we are gonna put all the ones in the back. We're just not gonna put these on for right now. I do have them. I got the original ones, but we're gonna throw the side marker lights on there actually. Instead, this one didn't come with it. Some of them did come with it. I gotta make a hole and get another socket. Before we do that, we'll do that another day. But anyways, yeah, man. Sorry about the videos. I appreciate everybody asking where I'm at and all that. I've been here. I've been filming. I don't know what all's in this video, but some of the stuff got deleted from our computer or whatnot. We got a new computer. Ready to get back on it. Appreciate y'all for watching.